I'm poor right now, so let's go mining. Yeah, I usually have 100k, but I spent it all. So that's why we're going mining. So we're gonna need a mega flashlight. Let's see, what do I have in this backpack? We're gonna need a pickaxe. I can't have a hook shot because I don't have the hip slot. Now, I'm gonna have to somehow get everything out of this backpack. Then let me do I even have enough for a small backpack? Yeah. No. I have an idea. Okay, we're gonna shout the sheesh. And then we're gonna put it in. So then I can have more money. Okay, let's sell this. Wow. Oh yeah, I got the total button. Yeah, I got 40 now. So now I could buy the backpack to keep that stuff in. So now I could use the bigger backpack so now I could get more coal. There we go. I need this. And let's go to the mines. Now, I'm only going to be going for gold and probably the resource points though, so now I'll get more resource points. Because I want to unlock the hip slots. Okay, now, I'll just resource. I swear, it's always go. Wait, let me turn on my flash. Isn't that what fun? Oh no. Again. Oh no, 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 no. I'm pretty sure NPC. Wow. NPC?
Yeah? Oh, I like the ice there. Oh. Money!
Ah. I'm only gonna cook for the coal. Now that's creepy. By the way, don't be going in the comments just disable the flashlight. You can't go there. And I already... That's a fissy. And I'm making sure he comes to you by using my flashlight.
I wasn't controlling 55.
Well, Bro's getting louder. Oh, he's there. NPC, don't touch the ground. I'm happy he can't get up there. you good? I think he's talking. I'm scared if like he somehow glitches his way. Oh, we just point. Hey. Oh, I'm so happy. Where's Neil? Oh, I don't know if that's gold or not. Oh, that's copper, isn't it? Oh, why am I so heavy? No, I don't get this. Oh, Neil. Crap, crap, crap. Hey there. Oh. If I'm going to keep it that. Yeah. I'm not getting anything. I just want to go. Hey, don't you see how much I get? Do you see how much I get? Okay, I'm gonna keep the super phone. Probably not the camera though. Oops. My flashlight. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Get out. And yeah, I got some money. Yeah. This. I want to go about that. And I don't know. Well, I was just gonna need to redo some of my stars. Legend. Okay, put this in. Then yeah. I made 1,168. Well, I'm supposed to put these in as well. But I just keep stuff in this backpack just in case I run out of money. I need to go mining and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, I used to have 100k, but then I spent all of it on like little Timmy fits on mining. Yeah. So bye guys.